Let's read this. It says the loudest animal on Earth is a blue whale. The blue whales can emit sound with an intensity of 106.8 watts per meter squared. The equation beta equals 10 log I over I naught relates to the sound level, where beta in decibels of the noise with an intensity of I to the smallest sound intensity that can be heard by the human ear, I naught, which is approximately 1 times 10 to the negative 12 watts per meter squared. Based on this information, what is the value? Which value is the closest to the sound levels in decibels for the vocalizations of a blue whale? Okay, so the formula, yikes. So we got to label some things. So it's not that hard. Beta is what we're looking for, right? That's what they want us to find because it's in decibels, right? Beta in decibels. And then we were told that I naught, I sub 0 is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 12. We're told that I is equal to 106.8. And I think we just plug it into the formula. So beta is equal to 10 times the quantity log of I, which is 1.068, divided by 1 times 10 to the negative 12. Now I'm pretty sure I could do this on Google Classroom, or I mean not Google Classroom, just on a Google calculator. So let's try that. So I'm gonna say log. Wait, let's just type it in. I'll just type it in up here. 10 times log 106 point 8 divided by, in parentheses, 1 times 10 raised to the negative 12. Yep, that worked. So now one of the multiple choice answers, it's approximately 140. So then beta, it's approximately, because I'm going to round it, 140 decibels. And that's it.